Hello, and welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's episode, we're talking about getting lost. So let's get started. Why are there some people who never get lost? You could ask, certain individuals possess a natural sense of direction that prevents them from getting lost. Or, a more advanced answer, some people exhibit an innate ability to navigate their surroundings effectively, which explains why they rarely experience getting lost. Do you often get lost? No. I don't often find myself getting lost. Or, getting lost is not a frequent occurrence for me. What can people do not to get lost? People can use maps or navigation apps to avoid getting lost. Or, utilizing tools like maps or navigation applications can help individuals prevent getting lost. Okay, so only a few questions today. Next up is our reading passage. Read along. It's intended to give you more of an insight into the topic at hand. Navigating the world has always been a fundamental skill. Different cultures have historically found their way, and technology has revolutionized navigation in the modern era. Early sailors used celestial bodies to determine direction. Land-based travelers use landmarks and natural features and maps. These showcase the resourcefulness of our ancestors. The evolution of maps from ancient hand-drawn to modern GPS systems, and the development of compasses, astrolabes, and sextants, maps have become crucial for accurate navigation. The advent of GPS devices integrated into smartphones and vehicles, as well as real-time location data and detailed maps, have reshaped the way we interact with that environment. Reading topographical maps, understanding compasses, and accessing natural features, despite modern technology, not only getting lost is still important. Enjoyment of orienteering and navigation skills. The navigation extends beyond physical landscapes. Indigenous people's navigation techniques respect the land and its resources. Knowledge of seasonal changes, animal behaviors, and natural markers emphasize a profound connection to its surroundings. In conclusion, navigation continues to evolve throughout human history. Our ability to navigate speaks volumes about our adaptability and ingenuity, maintaining a balance between embracing technology and traditional skills, from ancient celestial observations to modern satellites. Okay, I hope you found that insightful. Next up is our range of vocabulary expressions. Navigation, nautical, orientation, landmarks, wayfinding, cartography, compass, coordinates, GPS, topography, astronomical observations, celestial bodies, geographic features, latitude and longitude, bearing and route planning, land-based navigation, maritime navigation, sextant, geographical information system, navigation aids, orienteering, map legend, and dead reckoning, magnetic north, true north, map projection, waypoints, geocaching, indigenous navigation. Find one's bearings, navigate by the stars, chart a course, plot a route, stay on track, lose one's way, wander off course, set a compass heading, read a map, follow landmarks, explore uncharted territory, acquire navigational skills, utilize modern technology for navigation, make a navigation error, recalibrate GPS coordinates, embark on a journey, embolden the spirit of adventure, retain a sense of direction, navigate an unfamiliar terrain, maintain situational awareness, rely on natural cues, traverse rough terrain, navigate through dense foliage, interpret contour lines on the map, follow a bearing accurately, embrace traditional navigation methods, merge technological and traditional approaches, navigate with confidence, foster a connection to the environment, preserve navigational heritage. And lastly, we have our paraphrasing exercises. Have a go through some of these into your own words at home. We have 3 questions for paraphrasing questions. We have 3 statements for you to work through. And we have 3 descriptions for you to work through. I'll leave you to As always, thank you for listening. I'll see you on the next one.